Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to create a professional newsletter in minutes, Canva is one of the easiest tools to help you get the job done. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to design and publish your very own newsletter in 2025 using Canva. So let's get started. First things first, let's get you set up on Canva. You, if you don't have an account yet, over to www.canva.com and sign up for free. Head over to you can use the free version, but if you want access to more templates and features, you can try this pro version. Now let's create our newsletter. The easiest way is to start with a template. Canva has a ton of pre-designed newsletter templates to choose from. Canva gives you options for different styles, whether it's a corporate newsletter, a magazine style design, or something more casual. For this tutorial, I'm going with a clean and modern design. Now let's customize our templates to make it your own. So choose a template from search bar like a clean and modern design. You can search newsletter, then select it, then click customize this template. First thing first, editing text. Click on the text box edit, then double click. Change the headline to something like monthly updates or your news. Edit body text. For the introduction or section, edit body text for the introduction or section titles. Changing font from first of all select it, then fonts, then select your font like that, then adjust the font size from headline, then adjust. Adding or removing section. Want to add more content? Simply click on the blank space and add new text boxes like that. Add a text box, then here type your text. Adding visuals to your newsletter is key to making it more engaging. Canva makes this super easy. Click on Elements tab, search for icon. You can also search photos or illustrations that match your newsletter. Then choose one from here, then drag and drop it and adjust them like here. That's it. Don't forget you can upload your own images by clicking on uploads, then uploads file and dragging your files in. Next, let's ensure your content is laid out in a neat and organized manner. On screen, use grid or guides from the toolbar to align elements properly. Like select that alignment, and that's it. Use section to break up the content like upcoming events, team news, etc. If your newsletter is long, you can add multiple pages by clicking the add page icon. Now you can adjust the page, adjust your photo from here and add text or element, etc. Alright, once you are happy with the layout and design, let's give it a final check. And now let's download and share your newsletter. Click on share button, then select download from then there. Choose PDF standard, choose the high quality you want and use download option. You can also save download settings, then select download. And there you go. You have now created your very own newsletter using Canva. It's super easy, and the best part is you can do it all for free. If you liked this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions or tips you have. Uh, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.